Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video we are going to see how we can create measures without writing any DAX code. Yeah, you heard it right. So we are going to create measures in Power BI using ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot so that we don't have to write DAX. So let's get into the video. Before we move forward in the video, let me tell you that BritNX has an exclusive workshop on Power BI and data analytics. The link is in the description and we will talk more about it later in the video. Now let's get back to our topic. So before we start, let me show you the table that we are going to work with. So let me go to the table view, and now you can see this is my table. So it's taking some time to populate. Yeah. So you can see I have a segment column, I have a country column, I have a product column, date column, the total sales and total cost data, right? And also you can see there is a measure table where I am keeping all the measures. So this table does not have any columns because it is used to store measures only. So I've created very simple measures. The sales is the sum of the total sales column in the sales table, and cost is the total cost columns sum aggregation. So those are very two simple measures that I have created. Now some of the measures now we are going to create, but not using DAX, using ChatGPT, or you can say Microsoft's Copilot. So Microsoft's Copilot is integrated within Power BI, and we can use that as follows. So first we need to go to the modeling tab. Okay, and then you can see we have a quick measure, right? So just click on that quick measure, and then you can see we have one calculation pane, and then we have another one called as suggestions with Copilot. So let me click there. So now you can see here you can write your natural language and generate the DAX language. So let me ask a query to the Copilot and see how good it is in giving me the results. So let me paste my query here. So I'm just asking that calculate the profit by deducting cost from sales, right? So yeah, let me click on generate. So it's generating the result. So yeah, now you see successfully deducted cost from the sales measure and created a new measure which is nothing but the profit. So if I click on add, this will be added to my table. So you see it automatically adds to the measures table, and we just have to rename it to profit. Yeah, and now we can also like drag all these measures and see how they look. So let me cancel it. Let me drag the sales, and it will be coming as a bar chart. I will convert it to a card visual. So this is my sales amount, and similarly I can copy this visual and paste it, and again I will paste it. Now here instead of sales I will drag cost, and here instead of sales I will drag the newly created measure profit. And you see we don't have to write any DAX language to create our profit measure, right? Before we move on into the topic, let me inform you that data analysis and business intelligence has become a crucial part of any industry today. And I guess you won't like to lag behind others, right? Well, if you want to become irreplaceable in your data analytics career, join our 3 hours Power BI and Data Analysis Mastery Workshop, in which we will not only teach you how to perform top notch data analysis, but will also make you build stunning dashboards so that you can become one of those top 1% of Power BI users to snatch some high paying jobs. So, what are you waiting for? Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our topic. Now, let's experiment something more. Okay, so let me ask another question to the Copilot and let's see how good it is in giving me that result. So, let me click on Quick Measure again, go to Suggestions with Copilot, and paste my query. Now here I am asking that calculate the total sale for Canada. You see, I have not given which column the Canada is or what is total sales. I don't even have any measure called as total sales. It's called as sales. But I think Copilot will able to understand what I'm trying to ask. So let me click on generate. Wow, you see, it has given me a very good measure. So it is using calculate function. Then it is taking the measure that we have total sales. It would it could have used the sales measure, but it comes to the total sales column and creates the measure again. And then it uses key filters on the country column. You see, it identified that Canada is present in the country column, and then it adds a filter there. So yeah, pretty cool. Not 100% efficient because it could have used it the sales measure here instead of writing it again. But yeah, that's pretty cool to get started or at least to get help on DAX, right? So let me click on add. So yeah, you see this is the measure, and here also instead of sum, if you want to add total sales, so that is also okay. Basically the sales measure, and this one you can write as Canada sales. And similarly, we can create profit as well, for cost as well, anything, right? So now let's check whether the result is like correct or not, right? So let me drag the Canada cell and let me cross it, and let's see in the card visual. So it is saying that the Canada cell is around 2.89. So let's verify it. So I will drag the country column here. So and then I will add the sales column here. Maybe in the bubble size I will add, and let me convert it into a bar chart, right? Or better would be a matrix visual. So you see Canada is 248,87654.88, which is basically 24.89. So let me go here and go to call out value and display unit none. So you see same value for Canada, the measure also gives us. So yeah, this is a correct measure. Okay, now let's try another thing. Okay, so let me ask the Copilot another query. Let me go to modeling, click on quick measure, go to suggestions with Copilot, and paste my query, and let me click on generate. So here I am asking that I want the total sales for 2014, right? So you see, surprisingly, I don't have a year column, I just have a date column, but it knows how to do that. It creates the year function, right? It creates the year function upon the date column. Okay, it applies the year function to get the year as 2014, and then it is saying that okay, I will calculate the 2014 sales. Now let me click on the add. Now let me make it as 2014 sales, right? Now let's verify whether it is correct or not, right? So let me drag the 2014 sale here, and let me convert into a card visual. Let me go here, call out value, display unit none. So this is what the 2014 sale is. Now is that correct? We don't know, we need to check, right? So let me go to the table, and we don't have any year column, so maybe I will create a calculated column. I'll go to column tools, click on new column, name it as year equals to the year function on the basically sales date. So yeah, this will create, or this will basically fetch the year from the date. Now what we'll do is similar to this one, we will create another matrix visual. Okay, So let me cancel this one, go to visuals, click on metrics, and here we will add our year column on the rows and our sales column in the values. So now you see we have only 2 year 2013 and 2014, and you see 2014 number is exactly same as what Copilot measures provided us. So yeah, I think you got to learn a lot of things from here, how to leverage Copilot to create DAX functions for you. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you next time. Please do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.